everyone, it's Cary from Cary Prince Organizing, and I'm back with another challenge, but this challenge is a little bit different. If you recall, we had a recent challenge with my teen where I taught him how to fold a t-shirt. Can you do it? You want to try? Hold it by the shoulders, the very top. Take it out, lay it down flat, and another way. Turn it over. Nope, let's see the top part. Well, my teen is quite resourceful, and it prompted him to do a lot of research on the art of t-shirt folding, and he is now challenging me with a new way to fold t-shirts. So let's welcome our teenager back to the stage. There he is. Hey, Max, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you. So I understand you have a new way to teach me how to fold a t-shirt.
I do. It's a fast way. I learned this from a video. I'll probably link it down in the description. Where what you do is you imagine a shirt with the half here and the half here. You take this side half and you find the third. So you have the third and this half, right? Where this third and half intersects is point B. Over here is point A, point B, and over here is point C. You grab point A and point B, you keep point B where it is, and you grab point A, and you bring it up and over to point C. You quickly unfold your arms, and you lay them down, and do that. You have it done, and you can fold it in even more for a tighter fold. And you have it like that. Really
Whoa!
quick.
All right, I am ready. I am ready. So let's start over, and we're gonna see how long, because you know what our last one was. How many seconds per t-shirt? Do you remember?
31 seconds.
31 seconds, and we did 3 t-shirts in about 1:30. So let's redo that one, and we're gonna start on together. So, are you ready? Yeah. We're gonna see if we can beat the time of 31 seconds a t-shirt. All right?
All right.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
This is a race, right?
It's not a race. We're doing it right. Yeah, it's a race. Well, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Hold on a second. Okay. This isn't that bad. All right, hold on. Here we go. Let's see.
Well, it is point C, then you unfold your,
Hold
your arms.
Okay, we gotta do this again.
Fold it over.
All right. Done. I can't get this. Okay. All right. It's looking good. All right. Here we go. Stop it. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Look, everybody. It is all of 56 seconds to fold 3 t-shirts. What does that come out to, Max?
Around 20 seconds.
Around 20 seconds a t-shirt. That is pretty amazing. That is at least a third shorter than the way it was that I taught you. And see, they're very nicely done. All right. Congratulations. Max,
Yeah.
You've taught me how to fold t-shirts in a new, creative, expedient way.
And I beat you.
And you beat me. Thank you, Max. High five. All right. This is Cary Prince from Cary Prince Organizing, wishing you a very happy, organized day in your home. Take care. Bye-bye, everybody.
Hey, hey, before you watch any more, look at me, look at my eyes. If you press the subscribe button, you will see more things from this person, my mom.
Thanks, Max.
You know, look at my eyes, it's important. Hit that like button, it helps us get more recommendations and YouTube points. And it helps the channel overall. Look at my eyes, thank you, bye-bye.